Hey everybody, Jessekern, your singing realtor. Welcome home with Keller Williams Legacy Group Realty. Quick call to action. If you want any of this market data that I'm going to go into for your specific market segment, feel free to call, text, email me, 515-218-9222. Reach out through social media, whatever's best for you, and I will get you what you want. Real quick, I've got my next client appreciation event coming up. We're going to go see the Iowa Wild Sunday, March 10th, 3 p.m. at the Wells Fargo Arena. I've rented out the Hall of Fame suite. Holds 40 guests, so if you want to come watch it for me as my guest, I need to know because I've got space is limited to 40. And if you send me a referral, someone thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, I am going to raffle off 3, not 1, 2, but 3 hat tricks, which includes you'll get a hat for Iowa Wild. You get these cool coupons, Taco John's and Slim Chickens, and you're going to get free tickets to a game this season. I need to double check how many tickets, however, it's at least 2, maybe 4. So anyway, if you go in the raffle if you send a referral. If you're a past client, sphere of influence kind of person, come watch the game with me, even if you don't have a referral. Okay, so let's get into December 2023 numbers, and I'm going to do a little bit of year over year compared to December 22. And again, this is for Polk and Dallas counties only because that is the bulk of our Des Moines urban metro area. It's not the entire Association of Realtors in the outlying counties, but specifically Polk and Dallas County where the bulk of the population is. Okay, so first I want to highlight something for Polk County specifically. Polk County, from November 23 to December 23, your average sold price went down almost 3%. That's pretty indicative of this time of year. And your price per square foot also went down 3%. Dallas County, your number of pendings went up 44%. So out there, your market's picking up. That's probably because new construction is is a factor in Dallas County compared to Polk County, which is primarily fully developed. So Dallas County, your number of pendings went up 44%, so market's picking up. Okay, so these numbers are both counties from November compared to December. Active units went down just over 8%. That means it's more geared towards sellers. Inventory going down, less inventory, more advantage for sellers. Pended units went up almost 11.5%, so the market's picking up. Pendings mean sellers accepted offers from buyers. And the number of sold went down just less than 1%. That's pretty typical. Remember, what sold is really reflecting the business from the past 3 months because it takes anywhere about 60 days for a property to go under contract and then close. All right, the number of expireds, now get this, went up from November to December by 110%. So sellers, if you want to sell, you've got to be priced right. In Polk County, it's still a soft seller's market of 3 months of inventory. Dallas County is looking about 5.3 months of inventory, which is balanced market numbers. Balanced market is 4 to 5 months. 3 or less is seller's market. So overall, the 2 counties are a balanced market of 4 months. Again, you got to know your niche, your market segment. There are certain market segments where it's seller's market, others, usually the higher price one's more balanced to buyer's market, especially this time of year. The other thing to point out is now the year over year data. So I compared December 23, because I've been tracking this now. My assistant and I have been tracking it since she came on April of 22. So I've been tracking numbers since about that time, April or May of that season in the spring of 2022. So I'm going to start adding some year over year analysis here. So December 2022 compared to December 2023, prices came up 14.7%, about $54,000. That's pretty huge. The national average is 4%. Polk County, your average, however, decreased by about $50,000. So really, Dallas County's and the new construction there is carrying the weight of our price increase in this situation. So from December 22 to December 23, we had a 6.6% decrease in the number of sold. So actually the number of sold units went down. 2023 was a down year compared to previous years. And we still had 4 months of inventory this time last year. So that stayed about the same. Balanced market overall. Again, your niche might be different. We're still seeing a lot of seller's market out there, especially in the resale market. Resale means like used homes, like used cars. Okay, pendings are up year over year by 16% compared 22 to 23 December, both years. The number of active is up 4%. So let's see. Yep. Active is up 4%. So that means, again, 2022 is a little bit hotter month. And then for our days on market. Okay, days on market went down 36%. That's a good thing. So 35 less days on market. In December 22, it was 96 days. December 23, 61 days. So that's good for sellers. Okay, so overall, basically sellers, you got to be priced right. Otherwise, you're expiring. The days of, ooh, get what I want, that is gone. The last that was really a thing was sometime in 2022. Buyers are more like, well, we're picky, or interest rates are higher. If I'm going to pull the trigger on this house with this interest rate, some things got to work for me too. That's what the buyer says. So, however, buyers, it is a good time to buy because you're not competing with other buyers in most cases. Again, each market segment might be different. Inventory is still relatively low, especially for the resale market. If you have specific questions about your property or want a consultation about what this could look like for you, reach out, social media, call, text, email 515-218-9222, jessekern@kw.com. And you guys have a blessed day. Stay warm, by the way. I'm wearing this because it is negative 19 degrees.